G'day! It's a nice cool day here on the farm, and it's firewood season. Now we had a big tree that came down sort of a good 6 months or so ago, back before Christmas. So this has been my little project on the side for the last month, I suppose, chopping up this tree. As you can see, it's quite a good size, and I've made a mark on it. I'm getting into the big stuff. Getting into the big stuff now. What I wanted to show you was my new best friend, and it's this little bugger. I suppose best described as an electric chainsaw. It takes two 18-volt batteries, so it's 36 volt, and it is an absolute ripper. Look, like any chainsaws, the secret is to definitely keep your chains nice and sharp. That's what it's all about. So, you know, a couple of hours on the chainsaw, you need a couple of chains. You need to change your chains and touch them up whenever you're back in the shed. This thing, have a look at the size of that my little machine is cutting through. Now, of course, it has its limitations, and it chews through the juice when you're cutting this size. So I'll just give you a bit of an idea. I'll put my hand up there. I mean, that's it's a fairly big tree, but it just rips through it. And the beauty is, it's clean, it's not noisy, you don't have to wear earmuffs. I'll get it going for you, and a pretty simple operation. On button, see the green lights coming on? It's just got a dead man switch there, push that down, and then a trigger underneath. So it's not even noisy compared to an internal combustion engine, and it's just ripping through. It's just a fabulous little machine. And look, I've had it for 12 months now, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's, I grab it all the time, because it sits there, turns on instantly, not idling. I bet the neighbours love it too. Chainsaws can be a bit of a symphony this time of year in the local area. It's just fabulous. So anyway, I just thought I'd give it a bit of a plug. What's the bad part about it? Well, of course, you're bound by your battery power. As simple as that. The more batteries you've got available, well, the longer you can go. I've got 4 5 amp hour batteries, so that gives me two cycles, I suppose, and I find that's enough. My old back starts to get a bit sore after an hour or so on a chainsaw, so that's fine for me. I'm happy to go and plug the batteries in, get them charging, and find something else to do for a few hours, and maybe come back to it again later. So it suits me. But it's a really good machine and highly recommended. I never thought it would be so good. My God, it looks like a damn toy. But believe you me, it isn't. Okay, guys. Hooroo!